equation practice video. Okay. We're going to be going through several problems that are similar to ones that we've done in class. So let's go ahead and get started. A movie ticket that cost me $5.60 after a 20% coupon. What was the original price of the coupon? This one is going to be a markdown problem because we are finding the original price and we're given the new price. Okay, we're not asked for how much money we saved or anything like that. We're given the price, the new price, and we're asked for the old price. So original price, we're looking for X times a percent equals the new price, which is $5.60. $5.60 represents what we're paying, and we're paying 80% of the original amount. So therefore, we're going to divide both sides by 0.8. And then we find that our answer is $7. A 30% coupon at Banana Republic saved Eric $24.45. How much was the cost of Eric's purchases before the coupon? So, again, this means that we're going to find the original amount. Okay, the new amount is actually the amount that we saved. Okay, which is we're actually not looking for the amount we paid. We're looking for the amount we saved, and the percent that we saved was 30%. So this is a percent of question. Okay, and so again, we're going to divide both sides by 0.3. And that means that the original price was, we can find where I put it. Where did I put it? There we go. $81.50. Carter purchased 3 books at the book fair priced $3.50, $4.99, and $2.75. How much did he pay including the sales tax? So we're finding how much he paid overall including the 7% sales tax. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that the cost after the 7% sales tax was $12.03 because we do the original price, which is $11.24, which we got from adding all three of these prices together. Multiply it by 1.07 because this is a markup since we're finding the new price after adding on the sales tax. So therefore it is $12.03. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that the cost was $7.99 originally, and used X times 1.08 because this is a markup because the price you paid is going to be a little bit more than what the cost was before tax. Okay, so it's a markup problem. Maggie's meal cost $15.80 before a $8.05 sales tax. How much was the tax on her meal? Notice how this does not say what was her cost of her meal after the tax. All this is asking for was how much the tax was on her meal. Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found was 8.5% of the cost of the meal, which is $1.35 or 34 cents, excuse me. Go ahead and try this question about Mr. Steffen's discount on your own. So this is a markdown problem because 575 represents 70% of the original cost because they don't have to pay 30%, so therefore they're paying 70%. Divide both sides by 0.7, so that's $821.43 or $821.43. Isabel purchased a Barbie doll for $16.19, which includes the 8% sales tax. What was the original price of the doll? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. So we're looking for the original amount, so X times 1.08 because $16.19 represents the price after tax. So divide both sides by 1.08, you get $14.99. The Spiderman costume cost me $37.45 after 7% sales tax. What was the original price of the costume? Try this one out on your own. Again, similarly to the last problem, we're finding the original price. This is a markup because we found the 37.45 represents the cost after adding tax. So therefore, divide both sides by 1.07, and we get $35. 752 seventh graders went to see Hansel and Gretel on Friday. 25% of the students went to the bathroom during the movie. How many kids went to the bathroom? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. So this is simply a percent of question because we're finding 25% of 752, which gets us 188 students. Daniel paid $85.32 for a bracelet for his girlfriend, which includes an 8% tax. What was the original price of the bracelet? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. This is a find the original price, so therefore it's x times 1.08 equals 85.32. Divide both sides by 1.08 and you get that the cost was $79. Bathing suits are on sale, 80% off at Dillard's. If you see a bathing suit marked down to $25, what was the original price of the bathing suit? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. Since we're on sale for 80%, 25% represents the 20% that we still pay. So x times 0.2 equals 25. Divide both sides by 0.2, we get $125. My bill at Target came to $88.15 after sales tax. What was my bill before sales tax? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that the cost was $83.16 because this is a markup. Computer is priced at $1,599. What is the cost of the computer after a 6.5% sales tax? Try this one out on your own. So what you should have found for this one is that the cost after sales tax is $702.94. That's because the original price was $1,599 times 1.065 because this is a markup. Grills are on sale for 20% off. The sale price of a grill that I like is $399.20. What was the original price of the grill? Try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that the price was $499 because we're paying 80%, which is what $399.20 represents. So it's 80% of the original price. Divide both sides by 0.8, we get $499. This was a tough problem. Pete and Tegan put the same amount of money in a new bank. Tegan earns 2.75% simple interest and earned $2.20 in interest after 1 year. Pete's account earned 5% interest. How much interest did Pete earn in his account after 1 year? So, our goal is to find out how much money they each put into a new bank account because it says they paid the same amount in a new bank account. So again, original times percent equals new. Okay, so this is a percent of question because this right here represents 2.75% of the original amount. We need to find the original amount. So 0.0275 equals $2.20. Divide both sides by 0.0275. When we do that, we find that x equals $80. To find out how much Pete earned in 1 year from his account, we now know that he put in $80, so that's now our new original amount. And we know that he got 5%. Okay, so original times percent equals new. And again, we're only looking for the interest. We're not looking for how much money is going to be in his account. So it's 80 times 0.05. We're just looking for that 5%. And when we do that, we find that he made $4 after 1 year. Wilson and Darius both put the same amount in their respective savings account. Wilson got $4.75 in interest after 1 year at 5% interest. Darius' account has an interest rate of 5.2%. How much money did Darius earn after 1 year? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that he earned $4.94. Okay, $4.94 because the original amount he put in was $95. Because $4.75 is 5% of 95. A case of paper costs $39.99. How much will it pay in all after a 15% teacher discount and a 6% sales tax? So here we have $39.99. We're being discounted 15%. We're looking for how much we pay. So this would be a markdown. So that'd be times 0.85. Then we have a sales tax, 6%. That's a markup, 1.06. And if we do that, we find our answer to be $33.91. A box of expo markers are priced at $10.99. How much will I pay after a 10% teacher discount and a 6.5% sales tax? Try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that the answer was $10.53 because we do 0.9 because of a 10% discount. We're still paying 90%. And then we're paying an additional 6.5%, so that's 1.065 because it's a markup. And that gets us $10.53. A dinner bill came to $38.75. What was the total bill after a 6% sales tax and a 20% tip? Go ahead and try this one out on your own. What you should have found was that the answer was $49.29 because both of these are markups, so we're doing 1.06 and 1.2 and multiplying those by 38.75.